English Learning Podcast from Hello English.
Hello, listeners, and hello, Emma. Welcome to the Hello English Podcast.
Section 1. Morning at the office.
Good morning, John. You look super energetic today.
Thanks, Emma. I had 3 cups of coffee already. I'm basically running on caffeine now.
Oh no, 3 cups. You'll be talking faster than the computer fan.
Don't worry, I'm fine. Just getting ready for our team meeting. Do you remember what time it starts?
At 10. Don't be late again like last Monday.
Hey, that was not my fault. The elevator got stuck.
Excuses.
Morning, team. Today's vocabulary is punctual. It means being on time. For example, John is not very punctual.
Ouch, Sophia. That's true, though.
Section 2. Meeting madness.
So, John, what's your strategy for surviving boring meetings?
I pretend to take notes, but secretly draw little houses on my notepad.
That's your productivity secret?
Vocabulary time. The phrase take notes means to write down important information. Example, during meetings, I always take notes to remember key points.
I'm taking notes of my dreams.
I think we need a meeting about how to survive meetings.
Section 3. Small talk at work.
So, what do you usually say to coworkers in the morning?
The classic, hey, how's it going?
That's friendly. I like saying, how was your weekend?
Those are great small talk starters. Small talk means light, casual conversation to be polite or friendly. Example, we made small talk about the weather.
Speaking of weather, it's so cold today, I almost wore my blanket to work.
That's a new fashion trend, blanket chic.
Section 4. Asking for help politely.
John, how do you ask for help at work?
I usually say, hey, could you give me a hand?
Perfect. The phrase, give me a hand, means to help someone. Example, could you give me a hand with these reports?
I like saying, would you mind helping me? It sounds polite.
Yeah, it's better than shouting, help me now.
Definitely. Tone matters.
Section 5. Talking to your boss.
Ooh, this one can be scary. Talking to the boss.
Yeah, especially when your boss says, can we talk?
That's the scariest phrase ever.
Vocabulary, can we talk, often means the boss wants to discuss something serious.
I always say, of course, what's up? To sound positive.
Or pretend to faint.
Not recommended.
Section 6. Office humor.
Every office needs laughter.
Totally. It keeps people happy and creative.
The word sense of humor means the ability to enjoy and make jokes. Example, Emma has a great sense of humor.
A joke a day keeps the stress away.
Unless it's a bad joke, then it just keeps everyone confused.
Section 7. Giving feedback.
So, John, how do you give feedback to someone at work?
Carefully. I always start with something nice, like, you did a great job, but...
Classic sandwich feedback. Nice. Criticism. Nice.
Feedback means comments about someone's work or behavior to help them improve. Example, I gave my colleague feedback on his presentation.
Feedback helps us grow, like plants.
Section 8. Office technology trouble.
My computer froze again today.
Did you try turning it off and on?
That's your solution for everything.
The phrase, my computer froze, means it stopped working or responding.
Yeah, and when that happens, I freeze too.
Technology always tests our patience.
Section 9. Lunchtime chat.
Finally, lunch break. What's your favorite office lunch, John?
Anything that's not from the vending machine.
I bring my own lunch sometimes. Homemade salad.
The phrase, bring your own lunch, means to prepare food at home and take it to work. Example, I save money by bringing my own lunch.
I tried that once, but I forgot the lunch at home.
Section 10. Handling difficult customers.
John, have you ever had one of those customers who just never seem happy?
Oh, yes. Yesterday, a customer complained about the color of the invoice.
The color? That's new.
Here's a useful phrase, stay calm under pressure. It means to stay relaxed and professional even when things are stressful.
I try to do that. I just smile and say, I understand your concern.
And then cry quietly inside.
That's one way, but seriously, saying, I understand your concern, or let's find a solution together, shows empathy and teamwork.
Section 11. Giving a presentation.
I have to give a presentation tomorrow, and I'm freaking out.
You'll be fine. Just remember to make eye contact and speak clearly.
Vocabulary check. Eye contact means looking at people's eyes while speaking. It shows confidence. Speak clearly means pronounce your words slowly and understandably.
So, not mumbling like a robot?
Exactly. And remember to smile. People like friendly presenters.
Okay, I'll pretend I'm talking to you two.
Section 12. Handling mistakes.
I accidentally sent an email to the wrong client yesterday.
Rookie mistake.
It happens. The key phrase here is Own your mistake. That means take responsibility and fix it.
I did. I apologized and sent the correct file.
Nice recovery. Another good phrase is learn from it.
Exactly. Mistakes are great teachers. They help us grow.
Section 13. Office party time.
Emma, there's a company party this Friday.
Yay! Finally! Some fun after all that paperwork.
Don't forget your small talk phrases. Parties are great for networking.
Oh, like, hey, how long have you worked here? Or, the music is great, isn't it?
Or, who brought the cake? It's amazing.
Perfect! Remember, small talk builds friendly connections.
Section 14. Friday motivation and work-life balance.
Finally, it's Friday.
The best day of the week.
Here's an important phrase: work-life balance. It means keeping time for both your job and your personal life.
I used to stay late every day, but now I make time to relax.
Same. A walk in the park after work helps me recharge.
Exactly. To recharge means to rest and get your energy back.
So listeners, remember, work hard, laugh more, and rest well.
Yeah, couldn't agree more.
Section 15. Wrapping up the day.
It's almost the end of the day.
Yes! Time to shut down my computer and my brain.
Don't forget to say goodbye to the team.
Today's last word, wrap up. It means to finish something. Example, let's wrap up this meeting.
Let's wrap up this podcast then.
Thanks for listening to Hello English. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, like this video, and comment below.
And remember, learning English is easier when you laugh. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you soon.